Snowing now here in our place, and we have visitors in the ground. The wild guests. It's all over the ground. All over the ground of our building where we stay, where we live. So, a lot of them. Every year, these are our visitors in the ground. Wild guests. Look at them. They are also social distancing. They know what's happening in the world. They are social distancing also. Here we go. As you could see, the wild guest, and it's a bird, a big bird. Those who are lovers of animals, they're enjoying watching this and also enjoying making video with this because I love animals. Our place is overlooking the river, and now it is snowing. Look at this. It's snowing. I'm freezing here while staying in our terrace just to make video of these beautiful creatures who always visited on this ground during winter time, especially when it's snowing. I don't know where they live, but now they're staying on the ground. Ooh, it's cold. And it's snowing. Can you see the snow falling down? It's like flores, tell flores. And the ground is wet. Look at this. Look at this. These beautiful animals. The birds. When somebody comes, they just fly and go back to the water. They're afraid of men. And sometimes the dog comes and they just fly. Now they're staying on the ground. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell below so that you will be notified for my upcoming videos. Bye-bye. I'm Jean. Okay, thank you. I'm cold now. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, la la la.